Just some quiet time, sitting here beside the sound, looking at this gorgeous clear water, while somebody's walking up the beach. He thinks it's a little too cold, but I think it's perfect. Perfect time to be sitting here, watching the water, watching the pelicans, just watching the boats go by. A lot of them are on their way over to Crab Island. Fly, pelican, fly. There he is. Boom, in the water. And then we're back into the clearness. Yes, this is where I would like to be all the time. Give me this area and I would be a happy camper. You could just take your beach chair out in the water and sit there all day. And you can watch the fighter jets fly by too. That's an added bonus. I wish I'd catch one of them coming by. I would show it to everybody. I did see a 130 to the west. Must have been flying out of Hurlburt. And then the fighter jets. They usually go 2 by 2. I can hear them. I just can't see them. But they are getting louder, so I'm going to continue filming just in case they come by. Come on, guys. Make an appearance. Everybody wants to see you. And isn't everybody? I know not many people will see you, but still, I would love to catch them. But I guess I'm going to sign off for now, and if I catch sight of them, I will start her up again.